Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the most intriguing and inspiring content to help you level up your financial game. Today, we're diving into the secrets of the rich and how they build wealth in ways that the poor often overlook. So, grab a pen and paper, because you won't want to miss these 10 game-changing strategies. Number 1. Understand the power of investing. Instead of letting their money sit idle, they embrace the stock market, real estate, and other valuable investment opportunities. It's all about making your money work for you. Number 2. Cultivate multiple streams of income. While many rely solely on their 9-to-5 jobs, the rich diversify their income sources. They create businesses, invest in startups, and create passive income through various channels such as royalties, dividends, and real estate rentals. Number 3. Prioritize financial education. They understand that knowledge is power and constantly seek to expand their understanding of money management, investing, and entrepreneurship. They read books, attend seminars, and surround themselves with experts in the field. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Number 4. Focus on long-term. Rich individuals focus on long-term wealth building rather than short-term gratification. They resist impulsive spending and prioritize saving and investing for the future. Delayed gratification is key to their success. Number 5. Surround themselves with like-minded individuals. They choose their circle carefully, seeking out ambitious, driven, and successful individuals who inspire and challenge them to achieve more. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Number 6. The importance of networking. They actively build relationships with influential people, seek mentorship, and are always looking for opportunities to collaborate and learn from others. Number 7. Leverage technology to their advantage. They embrace the digital age and use the power of social media and online platforms to market their businesses, build their personal brand, and connect with a global audience. Number 8. Take calculated risks. They understand that great rewards come with a level of uncertainty and are willing to step outside their comfort zones. It's all about being bold and seizing opportunities when they arise. Number 9. Adapt to the changing market. They recognize that staying ahead means evolving with the times. They diligently research and study market trends, embracing new technologies and seizing emerging opportunities. Way 10. Give back to your communities. They understand the importance of philanthropy and making a positive impact. Through charitable donations and active involvement in social causes, they contribute to a better world while also leaving a lasting legacy. Well, there you have it, 10 powerful ways the rich build wealth that the poor often overlook. I hope these strategies have inspired you and sparked new ideas for your own financial journey. Remember, wealth is within your grasp, and it's time to start taking action.